Hello everyone. So in this video, I'm going to explain to you the first activity for today. Well, in general, today we're going to have to work on 4 different activities. The first one, as you can see here, is about Google Campaign URL Builder for traffic tracking. I thought if we explain the different types of traffic, your question would be, okay, these web analytics identify somehow the traffic, but what's my role in that? You have a role in that. This web analytics doesn't magically, or analytics platform don't magically identify that this traffic coming from here or there without your help. You need to help them track your links, and I will show you how you do that. Then we're going to talk about the different marketing tools, some marketing tools to boost your traffic so that you understand that digital marketing is more about collaborating with other businesses and working with other business partners to help you grow your traffic if you got the money for it. Then you have also the best practices for traffic hacks. And lastly, I will be explaining to you a little bit about the marketing techniques or I'm not going to explain per se, but it's a very mini case study that will help you scratch your head and think a little bit about what would be the optimal mix for achieving or toward achieving a certain goal. Let's get started. Now, the first activity, I would like you to think of a carousel advert on Facebook. We all probably have the experience of swiping through a carousel ad on Facebook. This is what a carousel ad looks like. It's kind of ribbon that you can swipe through the screen. These, of course, are not visible on the screen yet, but this is the view of all the products. Here are 4 different products that make up the carousel ad or the carousel advertisement on Facebook. So as you can see, the first product is a girl's floral dress. Here is striped pink and black toddler dress. Here is a onesie maybe or a pajama. Here is a colorful floral print dress for toddlers. Now, of course, you will have a button somewhere here. This advertisement is maybe actually clickable. Maybe the image itself is clickable. So this means, as we took with the HTML code at the very first week, there is a link that takes you to the e-commerce page whenever you click on a product over here on the Facebook advertisement. So you're going to go into that specific product page for that dress. Good? Very good. So now I would like you to create a link that the web analytics could understand, meaning could use it to track the click. Where is this click coming from? Did it come from this carousel advertisement on Facebook, or it came from another advertisement that I created on Facebook where it's actually just an image advertisement, and I also use that same floral dress for the advertisement? Or did it come from a video post that I put on Facebook also linking to that page for the same dress, or to a certain product category page on your e-commerce site? So now would like you to head to the campaign URL builder. It's a Google interface. And on that interface, what happens is you need to complete the fields as you can see on the screen. The first field is your website URL. I just put cutebabysshop.biz. However, in actuality, when you're doing this exercise, in reality, you would have to put the whole URL of that landing page. The landing page is the page that the person who clicks on a certain button or link will actually land on it, will view it next. So this is the landing page. It's a good practice with digital marketing that the landing page should be consistent with the product here. If this is the button I'm clicking is belongs to this product, then I should land on that product page. Okay, so over here should look like something like slash toddler floral print dress with pink, was it pink? Pink belt, something like that. All right, the campaign source. Campaign source is Facebook. This is the platform I'm using. If it was Google Shopping, then it will be Google Shopping, or Google. It will be just Google. So here is Facebook is the campaign source. Now, if it's Google, then Google. If it's Instagram, then Instagram. Campaign medium. What is the campaign medium? Campaign medium here, Facebook, I could create different types of campaigns. It could be a carousel, it could be an image based, it could be a video based, it could be other forms, right? Mixed image and video carousel ad. So based on that, please complete the campaign medium here. So it should be something like a carousel advert or something. Campaign name. As I completed this for you, let's imagine that this is a launch campaign for 2021 or 2020. And then the campaign term. This is something that I would like to explain to you right now. Every campaign, usually with digital marketing, you pay per, it's a performance-based. Let's start this way. Digital marketing is a performance-based marketing, meaning that Google or Facebook will not take your money unless they perform, deliver. So Facebook will not let you pay for the marketing campaign unless somebody clicks. When somebody clicks and visits your website, so they delivered, they will charge you. So it's fair enough. And this is one of the things, the breakthroughs of digital marketing back in the time when we were just making the transition from, or making comparison from the traditional versus the digital. So I deliver, you pay me. So this is how it works. You could pay per view. So if, for example, on Facebook, this advertisement was viewed as I'm scrolling down, I saw this advertisement. It's within my view as a customer, then you will pay for that because your advert was in the view of the audience or a customer or a potential customer. So basically, this will be called pay per view. But usually we don't pay per one single view. We pay per 1,000 views. So we pay per 1,000 impressions. We call views impressions. So usually we say pay per eye. Why I? Pay per impressions. So it's something like that, pay per impressions. Pay per click, PPC. PPC stands for pay per click. So you pay per click or pay per conversion rate or pay per acquisition. As we've seen in the slides in the previous class, we have acquisition of a visitor, acquisition of a visitor is like a click, a lead, pay per action. So, or an order. So here you imagine any type of a campaign term, either pay per impression, PPI, or pay per click, PPC, or pay per action or acquisition, PPA. So you could create multiple carousel ads, but one is pay per click, one is pay per acquisition, one is pay per there's not pay-per-lead, but one is pay-per-acquisition, one is pay-per-click, or pay-per-view. For example, if you are very new to Facebook, you will have to pay per impression or pay per view for at least 1,000 views before the system can unlock the option where you could actually pay per click. This is one of the things that I tell my students, especially master students, that there are some limitations in digital marketing. You have to wait. It takes time also with digital marketing to get the results anticipated, because nowadays the platforms are limiting us. So again, with Facebook, if you're new to Facebook, you will have only the pay per impression open as a feature for you until you pay for 4,000 impressions with your different campaigns that you set up, and then you will have the chance to access other features like pay-per-click. Okay, and then at the very end, the campaign content. So far, what we explained over here is general to this advertisement, right? It is the yes, it's the landing page URL. I understand. It is Facebook. It is Facebook carousel. Yes, 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 and it is pay-per-click, let's say, of course. But how about the content here? So if I have a button here, or if this is also clickable, of course it's clickable. There should be some button or a click, a link that links to the a landing page. Then I will describe the content here. So I would say something like, this is the floral printed dress with the a pink belt, because the user might swipe all the way to the pajamas and they might actually click on the pajamas. So I need to tell myself, where is this coming from? What's the description of the content? Just to further understand which image has led to this visit. Because you might have different for example, different images of the same product used in different advertisements. So you need to see which image, in fact, maybe inspires the click or incite this click. Based on this, I would like you guys to take a snapshot, as I took here, of this interface, where I would like you to create 2 links for this campaign, this carousel campaign, for tracking using this campaign URL builder. So go into this campaign URL builder and take a snapshot with this all completed. You can put launch 2021 if you want, and complete these fields accordingly. I hope this will be an easy exercise based on the explanation provided in this video. I'll see you guys in the next video.